The long and protracted political season came with its fair share of pleasure and pain for many Kenyans who had to withstand stalled businesses and uncertain political times. Our reporter Timothy Otieno visited Kibera slums, one of the areas worst hit by political tension over the last number of weeks, and tells us the story of a people still stung by the bite of a sour political bout.
Rosa Akoth has had a stall at the corner of this street in Sarangombe Ward, Kibera constituency for nearly 20 years. It's a business that has paid her rent and schooled her children, but one that has over the last few weeks faced dire strain due to tension previously witnessed between area residents and police following disputed elections.
Kabla siasa ianze, nilikuwa nauza mzuri hata naweza toka na ngiri moja kwa hii barabara. Na saa hizi hata shilingi 500 siwezi uza kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni. Unanunua vitu na bei kali, ukienda sokoni unapata tena bei iko juu na pesa yako ni kidogo iwezi fikia hapo.
The Annex Bar was one of the most popular joints in this area, but now it remains standing in ruins, destroyed by angered residents who burnt down the place following the declaration of President Uhuru Kenyatta as having won the October 26th poll. The owner of the famous bar has never returned to the area since. Boda Boda operator Samson Otieno is one of the people who witnessed the joint burning down and blames police for using excessive force during the demonstrations, triggering the public outrage. He wants President Uhuru Kenyatta to do more than just talk about cohesion.
Kama anaweza shuhudia watu wakiuliwa na yeye amekaa pale State House na anasema yeye ni president anataka kushikanisha Wakenya. Hawezi shikanisha Wakenya kama umwage damu watu wanamwaga damu. Hawezi shikanisha Wakenya kama kuna mtoto wa miaka 6 anauliwa akiwa na mama yake na baba yake.
But despite the concerns from the people here, the president commended the police service for a job well done, stating that, quote, the police had exuded a high degree of professionalism and dedication to duty during the entire election period, end of quote.
I mean, statement hiyo siwezi kubali nayo juu askari hawajafanya vizuri. Askari walitumia nguvu mingi kwa raia, walitumia nguvu mingi sana.
Many people here can relate to that story of brute force. And even though on the outside things remain cool, this area, popularly known for supporting NASA leader Raila Odinga, remains optimistic that come the 12th of December this year, their preferred leader will usher in a new political dimension into the country's leadership.
Hiyo siku nangoja sana na hamu na gamu. Juu hiyo siku ndo tunaapisha president wetu. Mimi sitambui Uhuru kama president ya Kenya. Sitambui kabisa. Juu hatukumpigia kura.
And even though a majority here do not recognize the legitimacy of President Uhuru Kenyatta's second term in office, there are mixed feelings as to how to move forward.
Kutoka tarehe 12 inchi igawanishwe itoke mara mbili. Raila atawale na Uhuru atawale. President wao wangapi? Wawili. Maneno iishe. Juu Raila anataka aridhike na ile yake, Uhuru pia anataka aridhike na ile yake. Kila mtu aongoze upande yake. Jumi upande yangu naona kama hakuna mwenye atakubali kushindwa hapa. Wote wanataka kiongozi.
Basi tungemuomba ajue kwamba hata kama yeye ni president, Raila Amolo Odinga au vice president Kalonzo Musyoka asipokaa na viongozi wetu chini waongee waweze kushikanisha nchi, hakuna mahali Uhuru Kenyatta ataenda.
But for many business people here like Rosa Akoth and even Samson Otieno, they can all agree on one thing. The country's unity is paramount not only for politicians but also for everyone else. 5 days after the swearing in of President Uhuru Kenyatta for his second and final term in office, and the residents of Kibera constituency that was one of the battlegrounds between police and residents who vehemently opposed that leadership, a sense of relative calm has since resumed. But in the hearts and minds of many of those whom we spoke to, they are yet to find true peace until a lasting solution is found in the ensuing political stalemate. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.